Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have another thing ready for you guys. It is Chips Ahoy Chewy Dulce Leche cookies. Let's try it out. I haven't opened this one yet. So I already know I have. Let's try it. So now, so this is what it looks like right here. A small cookie. Let's go to try it. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up. I rate the cookie at 10 out of 10. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys later. I'll be out.